超速英単語
negation, oxidize, vicissitude, acrimonious, gist, askance, fet, clairvoyance, abrogate, fallible, obdurate, approbation, cadaverous, annihilate, paddy field, inveigh, impugn, salutary, plenitude, smallpox, artifice, memorialize, unwarranted, chauvinist, perturb, meddlesome, imago, expatiate, depravity, fulsome, boorish, larceny, spore, subliminal, chassis, egregious, cantankerous, calumny, autocrat, fracas, baneful, ingenuous, sinewy, symbiosis, artifact, amnesia, halcyon, pertinacious, incisive, prognosticate, proclamation, propensity, philanthropist, book excerpt, personable, postscript, epicurean, misnomer, tidal wave, clemency, disconsolate, obtrude, itchy, neutron, impermeable, inflated, impregnable, icicle, agility, yaw, apogee, viral, candor, archaeology, perceptive, interdict, vernal, wizardry, apathetic, biosphere, severance, bombast, abase, relevancy, diminution, proton, preeminent, dilettante, apprise, extraneous, seclusion, inkling, cog, circumlocution, traumatic, fatuous, besmirch, gossamer, enervate, astral, actuate, myopic, viscosity, congruence, ingratiate, fervid, guile, jurisprudence, clement, irreverence, combustible, asseverate, deprecate, effervescent, compunction, elapse, orifice, equitable, insularity, rococo, maudlin, stupefy, sallow, extort, compendious, indulgence, sacrosanct, scavenger, inflammation, simulated, asymmetric, mercurial, ignominious, entomology, need, remunerative, jibe, consonance, contraband, back away, crack down, disputatious, conifer, ignominy, crescendo, nadir, discordant, fatalism, pedant, synchronous, aftereffect, exceptionable, tractable, herbivorous, irrepressible, exculpate, discursive, multilingual, deadlock, remediable, centrist, occident, fragmentation, repulse, castigate, calligraphy, savon, ibis, indissoluble, predilection, faint, animus, tonsil, runoff, taciturn, obesity, preamble, satirical, improvident, effete, alumni, engross, ecclesiastic, gesticulate, bailout, scintilla, acclimate, mire, mutation, irreparable, tropical zone, checkered, authenticate, blandishment, incarcerate, paleontology, molasses, felicity, cogent, invulnerable, crass, discriminating, fortuitous, culpable, exuberance, horticulture, immutable, prevaricate, credentials, abstemious, flammable, reputed, molten, hireling, irreconcilable, opulent, pupa, stem from, tributary, convivial, elusive, sartorial, factitious, algae, naval, sundry, genocide, obviate, amicable, arbitrate, cabal, gauche, idiosyncrasy, illusory, ascetic, mineralogy, physiological, terrestrial, gerontology, reclaimed land, intermittent, coniferous tree, invertebrate, abash, perquisite, grassroots, metamorphosis, epigram, frigid zone, inarticulate, vituperative, turgid, implausible, conglomeration, harbinger, affliction, responsiveness, ostracize, ingrate, archetype, broach, controvert, luminary, bulwark, fealty, meteorology, arbiter, depreciate, constellation, histrionic, promulgate, oscillate, coagulate, poignancy, bereave, vicarious, resurgent, teeming, lionize, rubble, loath, budding, ken, dissension, touchstone, cubicle, hubbub, refutation, vituperate, obelisk, meretricious, climactic, altruistic, enumerate, vain, abduction, persimmon, irascible, savory, fanaticism, nauseate, alchemy, quixotic, misconstrue, heedless, euphonious, gluttonous, vilify, endangered species, axiom, bumptious, gentility, shibboleth, temerity, mollify, jibe, truculence, maniacal, indefatigable, sinecure, exonerate, inequity, disseminate, bucolic, dint, epithet, indisputable, dolorous, diabetes, precipitate, protuberant, misanthrope, assuage, ejaculate, noisome, congenital, homonym, estuary, remit, infiltrate, plebeian, belittle, assiduous, heterogeneous, decelerate, banal, energize, distend, fluorescence, hovel, reverent, archives, impropriety, agglomeration, indiscriminate, credo, mollusk, extrude, aver, hindmost, ungrateful, mercantile, misanthropic, plethora, bedraggled, cuneiform, impostor, buffoon, regale, dissolute, contrite, fluorescent, despot, lachrymose, coterie, laconic, carnivorous, foreshadow, spendthrift, sprain, cupidity, levity, pragmatist, abstruse, monstrosity, duplicity, torpid, tantamount, equivocal, ameliorate, gargantuan, introverted, sanguinary, anachronism, augury, acme, vagrant, terra, astrology, sally, compendium, supine, irresolute, vertebrate, excretion, expiration, atrophy, equable, peremptory, rebut, jaunty, topography, the Old Testament, adulation, encroachment, ardor, equanimity, etymology, equine, societal, hydrophobia, acquiesce, forbearance, fumigate, frenetic, anemia, metal, ire, fermentation, tycoon, portent, hue, edict, cacophonous, phobia, bearish, limestone, harangue, imperturbable, immobility, snicker, lichen, buoy, vocal cords, antithetical, egoism, infantile, charisma, opportunist, polygamy, arduously, irremediable, secrete, pedagogic, conciliation, platitude, semper, acidulous, expurgate, hibernate, seismology, pasteurization, condign, temporize, peccadillo, repercussion, propagate, increment, delineate, suppleness, corrugated, reprisal, conduit, trappings, improvisation, extirpate, slough, manifold, inimical, diurnal, transgress, profusely, landfill, furtively, concentric, loquacious, aquiline, lope, azure, excrete, leeway, virago, miserly, craven, notoriety, eulogy, alacrity, commodious, lucre, blue chip, vaunt, overcast, querulous, elliptical, imprecation, frivolity, antagonistic, husbandry, commensurate, censorious, vituperation, asexual, intoxicate, parasitic, protract, choreograph, capsize, delectable, omnivorous, amorphous, rescind, chicanery, infrared rays, indomitable, molt, drudgery, conductive, heinous, pathos, vehement, askew, venom, frenzied, ambivalence, luxuriant, recapitulate, ethnology, elated, chromosome, disinclination, redolent, haughtiness, abridge, erratum, invective, arrear, intrinsically, summation, pollinate, demographer, fresco, reimburse, trepidation, flaccid, soporific, agape, coincidental, gastronomy, boxwood, optician, clamorous, gauze, assent, aseptic, epilogue, dais, decry, annals, mottled, pliable, vegetate, saliva, earthy, insubordinate, stretcher, fastidious, hypothetical, aquifer, garble, impale, bellicose, decipher, raconteur, fallacious, credulous, lexicographer, geyser, digression, hieroglyphics, corpulent, dispassionate, countermeasure, bicker, dorsal, inverse, pecuniary, dexterous, celebrated, defame, granulated, mucous membrane, odyssey, rejuvenate, transgression, credulity, erudite, per capita, gainsay, adroit, emaciated, inane, truculent, saline, natal, reprehensible, didactic, Uranus, felicitous, bombastic, precipitation.
高評価、チャンネル登録もよろしく。